This video covers the topic of relations, its representation, domain, range, and codomain of a relation for JEE Main and Advanced Mathematics. A relation R from a set A to a set B is defined as a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. It represents a relationship between the first element and second elements of ordered pairs. Relations can be represented in three main ways: the roster method, where you list pairs, the set builder method, which defines a rule, and the arrow diagram, which provides a visual representation. Let's understand domain, range, and codomain. The domain is the set of all first elements in the relation. The range is the set of all second elements in the relation, and the codomain is the entire set B. Some important points to remember. If A is related to B, we write ARB. A relation R from A to A is called relation on A. Additionally, second element B is called image of first element A, and A is called pre-image of second element B under relation R. How to find number of relations? If the number of elements in A is P and in B is Q, the total number of possible relations is 2 raised to the power of PQ. In this video, we will explore the different types of mathematical relations, including empty, universal, reflexive, symmetric, transitive, and equivalence relations. First, we look at the empty relation, where no element of set A is related to any element in A. Conversely, the universal relation occurs when every element of A is related to every element of A. A relation is called reflexive if every element in set A is related to itself. If even one element is missing its self pair, the relation is not reflexive. A symmetric relation requires that if an ordered pair AB is in the relation, then the reversed pair BA must also be included. Examples include equality and friendship. A relation is transitive if, whenever an element relates to a second, and that second relates to a third, then the first element must relate directly to the third. Finally, an equivalence relation is a relation that satisfies all three properties. It must be reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.